Come on, baby, let's go get another fucking stain. Beat them with the chain. Feeling good up in the rain. Therapy, I be killing bitches till the end of me. Choking on your words, tell you when it's gonna hurt. I'ma break your heart. Freddie gonna make you fucking split the.
What the fuck was that?
Look at those. Oh my god, you almost stabbed me. Cause you like that. Dylan, are you so ready?
Fuck yeah.
Tell your mama you're here.
Alright,
hi mama.
Just like the coilover video.
Hi mama.
Hey.
Whoa. Another box in a box like your rotiform. Oh, this has been opened already.
Send them back.
The delivery guy looked at him.
Oh.
Oh dude, not a red center cap either.
What?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Now I'm pissed. Send them back.
Oh. Oh, I like this.
Wow, that's concavity, Dylan.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Run both sets of wheels. The WCI's on one side and the F1R's
Fakes on one side, real wheels on the other.
Nice stance. I like it.
Yeah. Bro, you get 300. Hurry. This is fucking stance.
Trevor buys his car tomorrow. He's got to go with us this weekend.
And drive it there?
What do you mean? You're gonna have
That's how
to
I get
ride.
my learning.
Okay. Unless you pay $30 for getting valet. But it's gonna be fun though. I think it will be.
No, I'm full of chicken and rice. Stop.
That's close.
I'm about to fucking ollie this board.
Do a kickflip.
No, not.
I don't know how to ride a skateboard.
You have one?
Skateboard. Yes. Do I ride it? Don't know how to ride it? No. Badass.
Introduce yourself. Come here, bitch.
It's loud as fuck.
It is. Stop.
Stop it.
You're not my dad. Woo!
I thought you were gonna hump the box before my mom walked over there because you're like, just like the coilover video.
Oh.
So the delivery guy gives me his wheels, so he fucking drives off and he's on his truck.
We see a UPS truck with the WCIs on them at the next show.
They wrapped this one all up, didn't they? That's pretty.
This one's got a red center cap.
I'll be pissed. I'm like, motherfucker. God bless, boys.
Oh, God, that finish. That's so sick. Are you going to keep them here or are you going to take them back home?
I'm gonna take it back home. Put them back
Room
in
decoration.
my room. Yeah, I'm gonna set one out in the corner. I'm gonna grab a girl there. I'm like, bought those.
Those are my wheels.
Dude, this finish is going to look so good on the white.
I gotta line it up.
It's fender like coilovers.
Yeah. Come on. What? Holy shit.
Yeah.
Wait, did I put them on the right way? Because remember, there is two different sides on these. They're not all the same direction like those.
Yeah, they are directional.
I gotta look at a picture of them. So I'll make sure I put it on the right way.
Because it's not facing that way like this wheel.
It's spinning this
It's
way.
facing the opposite.
Thank God, it's gonna look even better
Got
now.
him right.
Good, because I almost put that on that and it would have looked weird because we would have been like,
We would have been like, wait a minute. Why do they look different?
We follow a guy, Steve.brz. He just completely did a remake over on his car, and he ordered 3-piece, I think GMR wheels, and he got directionals too, but the company actually made all 4 of the exact same wheels when there's supposed to be 2 on one side of the car and 2 on the other because they're spinning directionally. So he has to get those completely remade, and we wanted to make sure before we test fit that they actually did send us 4 correct wheels.
This thing's badass from the side. You gotta back up though and get like a full view.
Finish is so sick.
They look a lot better on the car than they do like in general.
I hate this fucking jack. I don't want to do it because it's tight as fuck. Like, it won't let me
If you're
pass.
scared to do it, don't do it.
Nope. Send it. I don't know why the fuck it locked up how it did though. That's a little higher than ride height, but
Isn't it? Or I thought it's one of them, isn't it?
yeah, that's one of them. There's a lot of money in my car.
Oh my god, it's so fucking hot. First things first, we're getting Zaxby's. Then an extra sauce, please. Can I get a hiya? Okay, Dylan, explain what we're doing today.
I am taking apart my hub because in a solid beam axle car, adjusting camber is gay. So I gotta put washers. Well, don't put washers. It's bad. Use shims.
We are
I don't recommend.
advising you not to do this, but we're still gonna do it.
I'm doing it because I need more camber, but I advise using shims, and you're only going to get about 2 to 3 degrees.
Out of shims?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I need about 6 or 7. And this will probably have to go.
So we doing stance boy things today.
I don't think I'll have to get rid of this. Maybe close.
It doesn't look like it's in the way right now.
No. There's so much rubber.
From rubbing?
Yes. I need two metal and carrier to the torsion beam.
Okay, so your goal, what do you want to do if nothing goes wrong? What do you want this wheel to do? You want it to tuck, don't you?
Low key, I would like it to be like to where it's like it's tucking, but you won't be able to tell that it's tucking because the fender's just like
Yeah, to where it's literally fender to lip, but the inside of the lip would literally go inside.
so I can run lower without rubbing
Yeah.
or worry about my fucking
So,
wheel going.
Our goal,
into my
not
fucking
saying that it's going to go correctly, we might have complications along the way because you do working on cars, but our goal is to add enough camber to where we get rid of that poke and it'll literally go inside of the lip of the car.
That's also that's after I get stiffer springs because I won't be able to run that low until I get stiffer springs.
But that is the end goal of what we want the fitment to be. And we're going to try today.
I don't want to fucking touch that one anymore because it's fucked. I don't know if I'll be able to get that one off now.
Oh! It just fucking broke loose? Yeah. Okay, so for the last 2 hours, we have been trying to get the fucking rotor off because it's held on by screws. Screws seized up. We ended up stripping them, so then we had to drill the heads off of them just to get...
We're on one side.
We're still on the same side. We haven't even started yet. But we thought that we were going to have to take and, like, torch these or fuck... I don't know. Like, we thought these were going to be seized up. They're all breaking loose, like, pretty fucking...
What was that? I broke a fucking thing.
Did you break the extension? Yeah. Or no, you broke the... I see, and I spoke too soon. This assembly, this hub assembly, was held on by these two pins right here. So they were... It was pretty tight on there, but we could tell that there was a gap and it was held on by these pins. So we just hit it with the mallet from the other side and wobbled it loose. But now this hub assembly is out. We take the top bolts and put them back in. And then we take the new extended bolts that Dylan just bought and we put washers on the bottom so that it pushes the top of the wheel in and the bottom of the wheel out and creates camber. Okay, hub assembly is back together. Washers are partially. Well, I mean, yeah, we're just testing it right now just to see. But you can visually see the difference in the camber. Dude, it looks so good.
Holy shit.
Yeah, the toe is bad.
It's, but that's a lot of camber.
Consequences heavy, are you bitches ready? Step into my Chevy, aiming very steady. Calm down, you ain't scared now. You accept your fate, you can't relate, you bow down. Stop.
Paulo, move! Alright, go, come on.
So he balanced them? Yeah. Whew. $20 a tire, bro. $20.
Mount and balance.
Mount and balance.
I'm still gonna stand like this.
Why did you feel bad? Because he should have.
I'm so
I'm in the wrong spool.
Get off my car. Make the noise you're making.
Dude, if I keep doing that, I'm gonna pass out. It's so fucking hot out here.
I'm getting lightheaded just laughing at it. Because I've already got the brake and everything off. All we gotta start doing is taking that hub assembly off.
We're gonna have to divide washers the correct way. We're gonna have to even them out, the same amount on each side. These are bottom. These actually fit. Hey, this is the only way unless you get your fucking beam modified. But I'm not paying someone to fabricate and do that shit. I don't have the money or the time. I gotta have my car running by fucking Monday.
We had 5 on it last time.
Let's
on the bottom.
go.
We had 5 on the bottom and then 1 and 2 on the top.
1 and 1.
Do 2 of the exact same.
Yeah, so we have to keep 4 out for the top, for both sides.
They have to be the exact same ones.
Exact
Make
same
sure
ones.
that they're the exact same.
They're the exact same.
Okay. Why?
Is that more? Not really.
Oh, that's honestly like spot on.
When it
with the
sits
front.
down, it'd be really close.
That's like really spot on with the front. Wow. That foam's just shattered.
You're not sucking, but you're like fender to lid.
Holy shit, dude.
This side looks a little high.
Holy fuck.
Hard as fuck, okay?
Oh my god. Dude, it is so close.
Like you literally can't get better.
Look at how close.
Alright, stop jumping. You jump as soon as I put my fingers in here.
Crunch. This is like. Are you happy now? This is doing a fucking battle. Worth it.
It has, but it's been worth it. Dude, it looks so hard right now.
I can't get over it. It looks so fucking good.
Here, let me and Trevor sit on this side.
Yeah.
Trevor,
Get in the car.
sit in the front seat.
What? It is like a 40 sidewall would be like fucking.
Oh, you'd be fucked. You couldn't do it. You'd have to run that 35.
I could, but it would literally be kissing again. This isn't even gonna rub the tire now.
If you rub anything, your lip,
I'm gonna kiss my lip,
your lip's gonna hit like mine does.
but I don't think I'm gonna hit something that hard because this is a perfect height.
Yeah. Dude, I can't believe how it turned out.
That'd be hard as fuck.
That looks so good.
Like this.
Frickle mode.
Come here, bitch.
My nose started bleeding.
You got a nosebleed?
Yeah. Where you were fucking smacking me around the whole damn time.
Get off my car.